Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to return a Microsoft Store order. So the first thing that you need to do is check your eligibility, right? So you can do this by logging into your Microsoft account and navigating to order history, and then look for the request a return button next to the product. And if it's there, you're good to go. So most physical products will qualify for a return within 60 days of delivery when it is in like new condition with its original packaging intact. Go ahead and click on request a return and follow the on-screen instructions to generate your free prepaid shipping label. This convenient service is valid through from January 31st, 2026. So making returns hassle-free with no out-of-pocket shipping costs is possible. Now, carefully pack your item with all the original components, accessories, and documentation. Attach the prepaid shipping label to the package and then drop it off at your preferred shipping location. Keep your tracking number for reference. Now, once Microsoft receives and verifies your return, your refund will be issued to your original payment method within 3 to 5 business days. You can now also track your refund status anytime by checking your order history page again.